Good evening, everybody. So tonight is elegant night on board the MSC Euribia. So I've had to put a bit of a nicer shirt on than normal.
We'll run through the MSC dress code for elegant night in a second because it is on the. It does tell you on the sheet. But yeah, we're gonna eat in the main dining room tonight. The same as any night on an MSC cruise, you can look at the menu, so we have already had a sneaky look. You can download the menu and have a look.
Yeah, but to be fair, if you've been on an MSC, and this seems to be getting the same for P&O and other ones we've done, it's just the same.
Yeah, it's the same menu.
Never seems
I definitely
to change
recognised eat from other MSC cruises on. But it was that or the buffet, we chose the main dining room.
Yeah, unfortunately our time is like 9:30.
Yes.
Unless we wanted a shared table, which we did not. So we're going to have to do most of the shows first and then eat.
I was going to say we're going to bring you along for the shows because they've got some amazing things on tonight by the looks of it. So we'll bring you along for that and show you that. But yeah, I'm just ready for a nice evening.
Yeah, shall we get off this balcony? 'Cause it's getting a bit cold.
Yeah.
Right, so just to show you on your daily programme that gets left in your cabin. So it does tell you here, evening dress, elegant. But as you can see, it says on gala night, dress to impress, whether that means a tuxedo, suit and tie, evening gown or cocktail dress, or perhaps it's your very best jeans and polo shirt. Your attire should fit your own level of elegance. So like we said, you can dress up, not dress up, it's up to you, but it does say no shorts, flip-flops, tank tops or t-shirts, okay, in the main dining room, lounges, theatre and during the captain's gala toast. So we will let you know how strict they're being.
Yeah, if we see anyone maybe dining in t-shirts in the main dining room, because I do know with the MSC they aren't as strict as other cruise lines that we've been on, which for me and Kev, I mean, we prefer ourselves, but obviously, you know, you as individuals can make your mind up for yourselves whether you want to go all out or just keep it a bit more casual.
We will just mention that we got on board this ship in Southampton, and normally your elegant night gala evening is your first sea night. For us it isn't, because whilst we're on this cruise, this Northern Europe cruise, it's picking up in many of the ports. So obviously everybody can't have a gala night on their first sea night. So for us, we got on board on the Friday in Southampton, and our gala evening is on the Monday. This is just to let you know, so you can, if you want to plan stuff out, you can plan stuff out a bit easier. If you want to book specialty restaurants, stuff like that.
So we're just hitting the hard stuff on this very fine, elegant evening. Only joking, we just come up the buffet to have a cup of tea. We've come up to show you if there was anything different, or they put a theme night on in the buffet with it being the elegant evening, but we just had a good look around and there's nothing different as the Kev. It's just the same as any other evening really, it's a decent buffet but there's nothing special on.
The only thing, they've got roast veal on the carvery bit tonight,
which I think they're doing veal in the main dining room, aren't they? But yeah, other than that, there's nothing different or theme that they've put on. Wasn't me.
Cleaner's broke a mug.
So yeah, after this we're going to go watch the show in the main theatre, and then I think before or after the show the captain comes out and does some kind of speech or whatever in the staff, so we'll obviously film that. Now regarding the theatre shows, this is the same for any evening, not just because it's elegant evening, but you have to book on the MSC For Me app, so you have to book a place in the main theatre. So it either comes on the night before very, very late, I'd say about 10:30, 11ish, but we tend to just do it on the day. In the morning we'll book, if we want to watch the show that day, we'll book it on the MSC For Me app. If you don't book a place, you can go 5 minutes before, and if people haven't turned up then they'll let you in. But yeah, so we're going to go watch that first, and then we don't know after then. We'll see what's on then.
We're trying to get in the theatre about 30 minutes before the show, and there are already a massive queue, so if you want specific seats, get here very early.
But now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome the master of the vessel,
the captain of MSC Euribia from Italy, dall'Italia, Pietro Sinisi.
So good evening, bonsoir, good night, buenas noches, buonasera, and welcome. So on behalf of MSC top management, all my crew, it's for me a pleasure and honor to give you welcome on board our beautiful MSC Euribia. I'm sure that the service that my crew will give you, the warm atmosphere as well, the visitor port of call, will contribute to make you stay with us and next experience. Thank you for choosing MSC for your vacation at sea, and enjoy that night. Enjoy the rest of the cruise. Thank you very much.
We are MSC here at your service. We hope you enjoy your wonderful gala evening. But please, let's have a nice round of applause for all of your senior managers, heads of department, and your senior officers, and of course, your captain, Captain Pietro Sinisi.
So just to point out, from 8 till 8:45, you can have your photograph with the captain. You can see him there, he's the guy in the middle. So yeah, he's just at the end of the gallery here. So if you want to take him, we did see a few people coming out to the show early. I don't know if they were rushing because they thought there might have been a bigger queue. I was honestly expecting a bigger queue for a captain picture, but it's not that bad. So we just popped back to the cabin just very quickly because it's hard to find somewhere quiet on this ship, especially on like Elegant Evening to talk.
Yeah, it's quite busy about everywhere.
Yeah, we just want to quickly say about the show. So that was Circus 1920, and it was hands down the best MSC theatre show we've ever seen.
Yeah, that's
hands
what you
down.
said, didn't you? And because you're quite fussy when it comes to shows, aren't you? These
Yes.
kind of things. So when you said that when it finished, I was like, ooh, it must have been good then.
Not because of the singers, because of all the extra stuff.
Yeah.
The knife throwing, the strongman, all that stuff. The woman like holding her teeth and swinging round.
I always like watching. I think the only other cruise ship, we've always had it on the MSC cruises, the only other cruise line we've had it with is Princess, when they bring the heads of staff out. So I think like some of these cruise lines and these cruise ships, you know, they get a lot of crap basically sometimes, don't they? They get a lot of criticism, and I think sometimes you just don't understand the work. I just think about this stuff, work that must go into you know, keeping them going, and just like it's a lot of work into it that goes to it. So I always like that part of it when they bring the chef who was from England, wasn't he?
Yeah, and they always get the biggest round of applause. They get a bigger one than
like
the captain.
The chef, the engineer, and you just, you know, you do forget sometimes when you criticise things like that behind the scenes, there is a lot of hard work that goes into, you know, keeping them going, operating.
But we're just waiting for our late evening meal. Like I said before, 9:30. We don't eat this late.
No, it's really late for us, isn't it, to eat like this? We'll both be lying on the bed with indigestion tonight. We haven't got any rennies.
I was just about to say you got any rennies.
we don't normally eat this late, but oh well.
One portion each end this time.
Yeah, I'm not having a fries or anything like that
she
on
says
the side.
That there'll be a fries.
I'm not.
Don't worry. Right, so we're in the restaurant now. I will put a copy of the menu over so you can see what a elegant night menu is like, if there's anything you like, or if not, you can either book a specialty restaurant or go to the buffet. Like we said before, it's the same as other ones we've had on MSCs. It's not bad food, but it's not amazing, shall we say.
I tell you what, they're spoiling us on Elegant Night. We've actually had a menu each. Whereas if you've seen in any other videos when we've been in the main dining room for lunch, or on embarkation we came in the main dining room, they gave us a menu to share, but they're going all out tonight and we've got one each. I'm only joking, by the way. You can look on, you can scan the little QR code there, or you can look on your app and the menu's on there anyway, so I'm only joking.
But we have got a good little selection of bread, so Stacey's quite happy. So every meal, the bread comes, and I cut mine really nice with the little knife, the bread knife, and look at that monstrosity.
I just tear mine open with my hands. This evening might be called Elegant Evening, but it doesn't mean I am, does it? Obviously not.
Just to show you quick, I've gone for like a smoked salmon. I think they said it was a little bellini, and then Stacey, because she didn't really fancy any of the other stuff, she's just gone for a little Caesar salad, and then asked me what anchovies are, so I think I'm going to be having some anchovies as well.
So the mains are here now. I've had the beef Philly. I think I've had this before on another MSC cruise, but that beef does look nice. And what are you going for, Kev?
I was just eating a little cheeky fry there. We have had a plate of fries as well.
Plate of fries there.
And then I've had the sea bream. I've had this before as well. So like we said earlier, they don't really change these Gala Evening, Elegant Evening menus. So if you've had them on one, it's probably going to be the same.
Yeah, so we've eaten all the mains. That beef was actually really nice, and there was quite a lot of it, to be fair. You could have just done with some maybe carrots or some roast taters or something instead of just the broccoli.
Yeah,
needed a bit more veg.
There was no starch to it, was there really?
No, but the beef was lovely. I could have eaten it on like a sandwich.
Not more bread.
Not more, no, you're not more bread, no. So desserts are here now. I think I've had this on every MSC cruise that we've been on, but it's the After 8 mint mousse. But it is nice, I do like mint.
You always have whatever's got
I like mint and chocolate, so it's fine.
You had 2 massive scoops of mint choc chip ice cream earlier as well from the Galleria bit. Yeah, they were massive, by the way. They were scoops like this, and she had 2 of them. Greedy. I did as well. I've had the baked Alaska, which is like a slice of a big one. I thought it might have been an individual. Now I'm thinking about it, I think I've had this before as well. I think we've had everything on these Elegant Night menus. The amount of MSC cruises.
At least we know we'll like it.
Yeah.
Let's go eat it.
Right, so we're now going to go in the Carousel Lounge for the last bit of entertainment tonight, the big band. These are in here almost every night and they are excellent, so if you get the chance, come and watch them. They do different things every night. Tonight is Rock Symphony. Yeah, so we're just back in the cabin now. Really enjoyed that Rock Symphony Orchestra big band thing.
Yeah, we've watched them a few times in there. We did have to stand at the back. We got there
40 minutes?
About 40 minutes maybe before it started, yeah, and already it was full. So you do have to get there early if you want a seat.
Yeah.
But we just stood at the back. But yeah, it's really good in there. Obviously they've had the rock theme on tonight, but they do like different themes on different nights. So they had like a music from movies one night.
Yeah,
it was really
just all
good.
different
Yeah,
ones, yeah.
it was fantastic. They were great, like listening to the orchestra band and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
It was really good. Yeah.
But yeah, that's just an example of what you could experience on a elegant night on the MSC Euribia.
Oh, we forgot to say as well, because we said we'd let you know about what people were wearing.
Yes.
There was people in the dining room with jumpers on, hoodies, t-shirts.
A couple of t-shirts, yeah.
Same as in the carousel lounge, just. So I think basically dress up if you want to. If you don't, then don't.
Yeah.
It's up to you.
Pretty much,
Make your own mind up
Exactly.
and enjoy your own evening.
That's the main thing. Just enjoy your own evening.
It's been a really fun night though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been good.
But yeah, it's quite late now. This is probably the latest we've been on a cruise for a very long time.
Because we have to get up early, so which we're going to have to do tomorrow.
Yes.
So we'll love you and leave you there.
Yeah. So as always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Good night.